What to put in septic tank to break down solids? A well-functioning septic tank is essential for managing household waste. Over time, solids build up, causing blockages and unpleasant odors. To ensure proper solid breakdown and avoid system failure, it's important to understand the role of bacteria and use the right additives. The role of bacteria in solid breakdown. Bacteria are crucial in breaking down organic waste in a septic tank. These microorganisms digest the solids, converting them into simpler substances that can be safely absorbed into the soil. Sometimes, the natural bacteria population may decrease, making it necessary to add bacterial additives to help break down waste effectively. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Common additives for septic tanks. 1. Septic tank additives. These contain bacteria and enzymes that help digest solids, oils, and grease. Regular use keeps the system running smoothly. 2. Yeast and molasses. These natural options encourage bacterial growth. Yeast stimulates bacteria, while molasses provides food for them to thrive. 3. Baking soda. This can help neutralize odors and balance pH levels, which is essential for bacteria to function properly. 4. Composting materials. In moderation, leaves and grass clippings can promote bacteria growth, but excessive use may cause system overload. Preventive measures to aid the breakdown process. 1. Regular pumping. Even with additives, septic tanks need to be pumped every 3 to 5 years to remove excess solids. 2. Avoid harsh chemicals. Chemical drain cleaners can kill beneficial bacteria, so opt for eco-friendly products. 3. Water conservation. Reduce water usage to avoid overwhelming the system and help bacteria break down solids efficiently. 4. Proper waste disposal. Never flush non-biodegradable materials, grease, or oils down the drain as they can clog the system. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your septic tank continues to function properly and avoid costly repairs. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.